going to show you how to perform arithmetic calculations without using Excel. And to do this, all you need to do is go to your browser and type datarevamper.com. Okay, it's going to bring you to this app. If you have not signed up, do well to sign up. Okay, then upload your data set, right? So we're going to upload it. Then we'll go to step 7 to perform this calculation. Just click on calculate column, right? This is it, guys. I'm going to select this. Then for the second column, I'm going to expand this, then click on this. So this is it. We are done. We are done with our calculation. In just few seconds, you are done, right? So if you've not started using this app, you are missing a lot. Trust me, you are missing. Okay? Then come over to, you can always preview if you want to, right? You can always preview if you want to. Click on download, prepare your download, and confirm your download. Then you download it. And our data set is ready. Now let's view our data set. So this is it. This is the cleaned output, guys. This is the cleaned output. As you can see, it has given us the right calculation. It has calculated our data set for us. If you're a business owner and you use Excel, like you store your data in Excel, you use Excel to impute your data set, right? You can use this app. This app is for everybody, right? So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button, because I'll be bringing more updates to you on how you can clean your data sets without using Excel, and how you can use this app called DataRevamper. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.